Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will walk you through how to delete your account in the Chatgpt application. This step-by-step guide will help you permanently delete your account. So let's get started. Open the Chatgpt application on your smart device. And make sure you are logged in. Click on the two lines in the upper left corner. Then scroll down to the three dots at the bottom of the screen. Click on Data Controls. And then Delete Account. Read the details, click Delete Account, and it's done. Remember, this process is irreversible, so be sure before continuing. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.